If you are wondering what charger you can use with your Samsung S25, then the base model, the S25, supports 25 watts fast charging. And it's actually best to use Samsung official USB-C chargers or any USB PD compatible charger with the right wattage. And if you want to use, wireless charging, then this device support Key 2, and it's actually around. I'm not around. It's actually 15 watts for a wireless charging. It's actually not wireless. Is just inductive charging, but that's how actually people call it. So yeah, this is just short information for you. And if you are wondering if you can use any other chargers, like non-original chargers, then yes, for sure you can do this. I'm actually using 125 watt charger from Motorola, and it works fine. So yeah, this is it. Just quick information for you.